Okay, let's go ahead and solve this problem. So this problem is trying to find the longest palindrome substring when given a string itself. So a couple ways of solving this. One way is definitely just to keep track of the longest substring as you iterate through the elements within the string. So what you want to do is essentially just expand outward and see how far you can go, and basically at each index you try to go as far as possible, and yeah, you just keep track of the maximum longest substring that is a palindrome that way. Okay, alright, so let's go ahead and do this so we can keep track of our resulting variable to return. Aside from that, you can track off, and we're going to pass in the characters, and we're going to use 2 pointers, and we're going to just continue to expand. And something to note here is that there are odd numbers result and even number result. So you have to account for both of those scenarios as you iterate through them. Okay, let's create an array of characters out of the string. Okay, so to get the longest for odd, and then to get the longest for even, we just start the right hand side pointer and index after the current index. Okay. Okay, so we want to update the left and right hand side pointers, and we want to ensure that the pointers are within bounds. And of course the values equate. Otherwise we expand outward. And then we can return the substring. And side, this one. Okay. Here we just need to find of these 3 values, which one has the greatest number of characters. Okay, and then we set that as the result. Let's give this a run. Oh, it's gotta convert this to a string. And there you have it. Okay, another way of solving this, if you want to, is to just keep track of the start and end points. So this will basically just return a length instead of the string itself. So just type right hand side minus left hand side. Okay, for this example, okay, so let's say here, so your left hand side, right hand side will be 1 and 1, then 0 and 2. y of 2 equal, so then it will become -1 and 3. Then you take 3 minus -1, that is 4. But then you want to minus 1 again, so that you get 3 basically. So that will give you the actual palindrome, maximum palindrome length for, let's say, like BAB. Okay, this gives you the length, and now you want to store the results basically if needed. So let's take the maximum between odd and even, and then of course if the length is greater than n minus the start, then we want to update the start and the end. So this would be I plus, take the length divided by 2. But actually before that you want to do minus 1 divided by 2 for n equals to I plus length divided by 2 as well here. Actually this one should be minus. What up, Jake? And okay, so this is another way of solving it. Yeah, so I think the confusing part here might just be like over here, but this is just sum. You could call it like clever math, where the numbers work itself out. So yeah, this is something good to take note of if you want to approach it with the solution. And okay, that's it.